In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Google Gemini chat history. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the best way to do this is to open up a web browser and go to gemini.google.com and sign into the account that where would you like to delete that Gemini chat history. So I'm using my account here. So from here on the left hand side, we want to go ahead and click onto settings and help. Now look for activity and then click on activity. And now this is where we can delete our chat history. So it will say keep activity. If you want to go ahead and turn off, you can turn that off, and that's not going to save your history anymore. And you can also turn off and delete activity. Or we got the option here to delete activity older than 18 months. We can change that to free 18 or 36 months. And now also we can go ahead and delete activity. So this is probably what we're after here. So you can delete activity from the last hour, last day, always, or a custom range. So if I want to do, say, always, it's going to go ahead and confirm that you'd like to delete all of the following. And then from there, just go ahead and click on delete, and that's going to delete your Google Gemini chat history.